很好了。Here's the concourse level. 电梯往上 Cars going up.
单程票请form入回收盒，信用卡、支付，请找询问处处理。
We're done here. So, Joey, wait. Dito tayo. Ikaw na nauuna ka. Hintayin mo yung signal ko. Where to go. Ay, sarado pa. It's still closed. Still closed. Hold on.
请握扶手，站稳踏阶，握紧行李。Please hold on to your luggage. Mind your step and do not let go of the luggage. There are two.
Here, the Gloria. Oh, I Ako'y Taiwan. Joey. Natin. Let's go to the next station ng MRT nila. Diba? Unang sabak, gagastos tayo. Pero syempre, limit lang. Budget. Ay, dito, Joey. Ayan, dito tayo. Go tayo dito. Mahangin dito. It's kind of gloomy. Mukhang umulan. Basa ang daan. Kanilang kasi open area. Ay, sarado pa yung signage. Mamaya na lang. Still closed. Oh, still closed. What time? 11 o'clock. What time is it? I think 8-10 minutes. Punta na tayo sa information. Yun, diretso. That's the information center. Para makakuha tayo ng more voucher. Mamaya na tayo mag-picture-picture. Sana maalala ko. Magpa-picture tayo dyan, no? Okay. Bakit naman hinarangan yan? Sayang. We'll go first to the information. We'll get some vouchers and kung ano pang papers na kailangan para if you want to buy here for tax free, may additional discounts. And pupunta tayo to eat lunch there, food pavilion. Ang hangin. I think it's cold here. Lahat nagbabantay. Ay, iintay. Iniisip ko kung i-avail natin yung Joey. Iwan natin to doon. I think ito yun. How much to get the tax free?
The minimum is 2,000.
How much?
2,000.
2,000.
How about our receipt? It's
Ah.
approved.
Except what?
Food.
Food, yeah. And do you provide the additional coupon or this one
Yeah,
already?
just show your passport to the store and then you will get a discount immediately.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Okay, that's it. Just present the passport. Okay, let's go na. 2,000 minimum, grabe. So, accumulated, 2,000. Dito rin naman tayo pupunta. Okay, we'll go up. Dito yung kanilang pavilion, food pavilion. So, we'll eat first. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan yung mas okay ang price. Pero let's see what to eat. Oh, I'm so excited. There's so many choices. Oh, automatic. Ano, gusto mo umikot ka muna? Saan tayo? Dito na, ay, doon na lang? Hindi, dito. Para maganda yung ating, photoshoot. Dito na lang. Ha? Ay, dito. 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 Ginulo. Kasi magalit yung ating, Dito na tayo. Si Joey mo na umiikot para makapamili siya ng kanyang food. Para mahirapan what to buy for him. Enter naman tayo. Dito muna tayo. Si CR ako. And they have this photo. Ay, parang guideline lang. This is not additional whatsoever. So, I need to read this. Siguro mga sa around 100, 200. Ay, yung mga drinks lang yan. Ayun, 240. Isipin mo laging times, 2. Yan lang kakainin mo, no rice.
Meron siya.
Ayan. Oh, walang ramen yan.
Ay, mamaya na may
Oo nga. Oh, yan. Chicken leg and sa akin? We'll try it. Shin fried tofu. And 1 drinks. Then, let's order. One of these. Only one and this one, fried pork rice.
2 order.
Yes, 2 order and 1 cola.
1 cola.
Yeah, 1.
550.
5.15.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, just order this. Okay. And the cola.
Fine.
It costs 515. There. Thank you. Okay, we'll just wait. Parang gusto mong bumili na. Doon. Ikot ako. Si Joey na ang pa-in-charge ko. Try it. Oh, I know. 75 on Ay! Ayun yung sikat. 110. Sarap kaya yun? Ba't gano'n ang itsura? Hindi ko alam. Tropical Wonderland. Brown sugar. $85, $160 agad. Mahal. Let's try it. One brown sugar, please. One brown sugar boba. Medium size. Yes, that one. Only one. Can I use my card? Okay. What? Can I use card? Wait. What is that cookie? Ah, you already punched. Okay.
Okay.
Mas mura milkshake. Tapos meron pa silang gelato. They have more food here. You know, we're going to buy it. As always. Oh, those chicken. Ay, may mas mura dun. Ako, nakamagkano na kami. 515 plus 85. Let's check. Wow! Picture mo kaya? Take a picture. May sibo ka. Excuse me. Is this ready? Excuse me. Hindi ako na. Can I get my order? Excuse? I think that's mine. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah. Ay, di siya see-through. Ano to? Brown sugar boba. Sayang, di siya transparent. Let's try the soup. Okay. As in 1 cup rice lang siya. Pero okay lang. That's okay. Ito yung drinks mo. Fancy talaga ako. At chopstick. Give you a spoon. At ayun na. The sauce. Get this. Siyempre, mag-share kami. Wala binigay niya sa akin. Let's eat. Uy, grabe. For a longest time. Ngayon lang ako ulit kakain ng gulay. Para saan niya? Kakaiba ang kanin. Grabe, bulutin ako. Ano gulay mo? Same? Alam na siya Kailangan chopstick. Masarap yung dip sauce na. Kaya kainin nila ng rice, ganito ah. Kaya siguro kapayat nila. No? Bakit ito? Bakit ito? Saan dito ko? Okay ah. Okay sa lasa. Tama lang. Open mo yung coke nila. Masarap ba? Mahilig sila sa cabbage. Kahit sa Japan. Ubus na rice. Hello! Video call. Video call sa ating kapamilya. OFW. Hindi ko, mabilis lang ang biyahe, di? Mabilis lang biyahe. Ha?
Anong oras kayo dyan?
Same time lang.
Paano ka na dyan? Alam ko eh.
Tapos na kaming kumain, sayang.
Pogi!
Dapat daw sinama siya.
Ba't di mo